Welcome, everyone, to Math Magic, the show where we find the adventure hidden in the numbers.
Hello! Today we're going on a quest to prove that math is more than just problems in a textbook.
Right.
It's actually a universal language, a kind of magic that helps us build, create, and, well, explore.
Let's start with the most basic part of that language, the symbols.
Okay.
I'm talking about plus, minus, times, and divide.
Yeah,
Think of them as the action words of math.
that's a perfect way to describe it. If you imagine you're baking, the numbers are your ingredients, like flour and sugar, and the symbols are your instructions. Plus means combine these ingredients, while minus means scoop some out.
And my favorite symbol, the equal sign,
Oh,
it doesn't just mean here's the answer.
right.
It's a symbol of perfect balance.
Okay.
It tells us that whatever is on its left side has the exact same value as what it's on its right side.
Okay.
Balance is key. Now, from the language of math, let's move to one of its most mysterious words,
Ooh.
the number pi, written with the Greek letter pi.
Ah, the famous pi. It starts with 3.14, but it's an irrational number, which means its decimals go on and on forever without any repeating pattern.
Exactly. It's the universe's secret number for circles.
Exactly. Let's make it simple with a pizza. If you take any pizza and measure the distance straight across its middle, the diameter, and then multiply that number by pi,
Yeah.
you will know the exact length of the entire crust.
And the amazing part is that it's true for every circle in the universe.
Wow.
Whether it's a tiny button or a giant planet, this pi relationship is always the same. It's a fundamental rule of how our world is built.
It really is. Now for a concept that helps us understand super fast growth,
Okay.
exponents. That's when you see a little number floating next to a bigger one, like 5 with a tiny 2 next to it.
Right, that's read as 5 to the power of 2. The little number, the exponent, is just an instruction.
Right.
It tells you to multiply the big number, the base, by itself that many times.
Yep.
So 5 to the power of 2 is simply 5 times 5, which is 25.
It's a powerful shortcut. And it's fantastic for describing things that grow incredibly fast.
Right.
Think of a chain reaction. If one person tells a secret to 2 friends, and then the next day, each of those friends tells 2 more friends, the number of people who know the secret grows exponentially.
It explodes. So, Ben, where do we see all this incredible math, symbols, pi, and exponents come together to do something truly amazing?
Let's look to the stars. Space exploration.
Ooh.
Math is the language of physics, and you can't get to space without it.
Right.
To send a rover to Mars, scientists perform millions of calculations.
They have to figure out the perfect path, the rocket's speed,
Yeah.
and the precise amount of fuel needed for a journey that lasts for months and covers hundreds of millions of miles.
It's like planning the ultimate cosmic road trip. They use pi to calculate the circular orbits of the planets, and exponents to deal with the unimaginably large distances.
Wow.
If their math is off by even the tiniest bit, the mission could fail.
It shows just how powerful and precise math is, but you don't have to be a rocket scientist to use it.
No,
We're all mathematicians in our daily lives, aren't we?
we absolutely are. Every time you're in the kitchen and you measure out half a cup of flour,
Yeah.
you're using fractions. When you cut an apple into equal slices to share, you're using division.
Or when you play a board game, you're constantly doing mental math, adding the roll of the dice, subtracting points, or figuring out how many spaces you are from the finish line.
Right, even setting an alarm clock is math.
Totally.
You're calculating the amount of time you have to sleep.
Right.
It's this hidden tool that helps us reason, solve problems, and bring order to our world.
It's the logic that lets us build, the creativity that lets us design,
Yeah.
and the curiosity that lets us explore. It's not just in our heads, it's all around us.
A perfect summary. Well, that's all the time we have for today on Math Magic.
Aw.
We hope you feel a little more empowered to find the numbers and patterns in your own world. Now, here's a question we'd like you to think about.
Okay.
If you could use math to invent one thing to make the world a better place, what would you create And what kind of math would help you build it?